you guys hear the explosion?
I did. I was on Sneak Lane when it happened. I thought it was. I was on the phone. I was telling him, my son's friend. I was on the phone with my girlfriend. I was like, "Girl, did you hear the thunder?" She was like, "What the fuck are you talking about?" I go, "It's a kaboom!" And I was right there on Sneak Lane, and I could feel the heat. Because right when you get up over Sneak, you know where that fire department is right there? If you turn on that street, it's right there.
Wow.
That's where the fire is.
Wow.
When I was there, it was Pacifica was coming, Coma was there, Millbrae, San Bruno.
Yeah, I just heard like a fleet of fire trucks come like right before with the skyline, and then like I can see the flames up near my house. Wow. You think they'll be able to put this out by tonight?
They say 15 to 20 houses have burned already.
Yeah.
Can you imagine it was dinner time just sitting there eating dinner?
I mean, like, how will you? It's like basically you're watching TV and
yeah, you're watching the damn football game, the Saints and the Vikings.
Did they say if anybody
the
were
flames
hurt?
were higher.
Yeah, the flames were higher. I mean, like
they were higher. They were bad.
Did they say if anybody got hurt or?
On the radio, they haven't said nothing, but they don't know if it's a gas explosion or
They said
saying
a little plane.
I work at United Airlines. I called United. Did one of our planes crash?
They said from like what my neighbor said. They said it wasn't any planes from SFO. It might be like little planes. But it might be a Cessna.
Little planes. They just had two of them. They had that one that crashed in Palo Alto. Then they had the one that just crashed over at Oracle.
Yeah. I mean, like like San Bruno should just ban little planes from airspace.
Leave it to my daughter, right? She just gets out of the hospital after having all those IVs. She has to lay down there. Excuse me, can I get these cigarettes?
See, when I came here, I was on the phone with you. Did you ask that up on me when I asked you what the flames were above?
Does this kid look like a sophomore?
You're a sophomore in high school? Are you?
That would have been the shot if we got that helicopter. Did you get it?